Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. You will have two light bulbs, one up here on the left side and one just on the other side. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Okay, now these are actually quite easy to replace. All you will need is a Phillips screwdriver because each of the license plate light bulb assemblies is held by two Phillips screws. Okay, so this is the first one and the second one is just here. Okay, once you have these two screws out, there is nothing else holding this light assembly actually, other than two black tabs. One will be here and one on the other side. Now I popped this one out already, so I can show it to you here. I hope you can see it. It's quite sunny outside. So you'll have two plastic tabs and you'll have to use something like a pry tool or a flat screwdriver, or even the best thing you can use is a plastic trim remover, so that way you won't make any damage to the paint. Now if this was never removed, it might be quite hard to pop it out, but what you want to do, hope you can see this, it's really sunny, there's like a small opening right here and you want to push your pry tool just inside here, you see, and then just gently pry it down without breaking it. So that's the idea. Okay, so I got mine out. Once again, you see one black tab on this side and one on the other side. Why I pulled all this out, you could probably just pop out this cover right here, but it's a good idea to pull it out, to disconnect the connector and really try to clean everything with electrical contact cleaner. So make sure to clean this electrical connection as well, because how you drive, lots of mud will get in here and that might cause you problems in the future. So if you are doing this, do it the right way, clean everything and then install the new bulb and you'll be good to go for quite some time. So to disconnect this, there is a black tab here on the top which you want to press and then just pull the connector out. I'll have to use both of my hands because this was probably never removed and it's not really going that easy. So what I'll do, I'll press here and with my other hand I'll just pry it here to the opening. So next thing, like I said, clean all these connections good with contact cleaner. Also you will clean this connector on the other side as well, and once that is done you will be replacing the bulb. Okay, to replace the bulb, all you have to do, just have to pry this glass cover off. So you can use something like a small screwdriver just to pry this piece out, right? And then the light bulb is right here. So basically you can get away without pulling all this assembly out, but I will highly suggest you do this because I always see on lots of vehicles, once too much dust collects around this connector, then the license plate light bulbs will not work. So clean everything and replace the bulb. Replacing the bulb is really easy. You just kind of pull it straight out and then just push it back in. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.